Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why Canva is the best. Let's get started. The first reason why Canva is the best is because they have a free account. This means that you can test out Canva, and then if you like what you are seeing, you can go ahead and upgrade. Now with the free account, you can use templates, elements, you can upload items, you can add text, you can also have access to audio. So if you wanted to search for a cat graphic, you can go over to graphics and you have a large selection. You will be able to see that the ones that are free don't have this little pro crown next to it. So you have a whole bunch of different things that you can use with the free account. Personally, I would say about 50% of the time, I will use the free Canva account. The second reason why Canva is the best is because they continually update the software. For example, as you can see on the main page in the app, they have the biggest announcements from Canva Create 2022. So they have new features that they can offer, and they also continue to just update the system so that it runs faster and it works better. The third reason why Canva is the best is because you can create and edit videos in them. For example, this video that you're watching right now is created in Canva. All you have to do is upload your video clips and compile them together. The fourth reason why Canva is the best is because you can create custom-sized designs. For example, pixels are typically used for digital-based designs, and inches and centimeters are used for print design. But something cool that you can do is you can create YouTube shorts on Canva. All you have to do is switch the aspect ratio. So typically you use a 1920 by 1080. So you would just use a 1080 by 1920, create a new design. You have the format for a YouTube short, and you can use templates, you can use different animations. For example, you can type in video and it will give you different animations that you can use. For example, I created one of my YouTube shorts with this template. All you have to do is add your page in, and then you can click play, and the animations are in there for you. And the fifth and final reason why Canva is amazing is because they have Canva Design School. If you search online for Canva Design School, you're going to find all of these amazing tutorials and tips for learning Canva. Canva really invests in its users, and it provides you with a wonderful library on how to use Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found value in it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.